You probably check your phone before bed, most of us do. But here's the scary truth. That soft blue glow may be wrecking your brain, disrupting your hormones, and making it harder to sleep, focus, and even regulate your mood. In this video, we break down what blue light at night is really doing to your body, and how to fight back. Welcome to Healscape BDS, where your health meets clarity and science without the boring stuff. Let's talk about a modern problem that's literally shining in your face, and how it could be slowly draining your mental energy. What is blue light? Blue light is part of the visible light spectrum, just like red or green. It's naturally present in sunlight, and that's a good thing during the day. But artificial sources like phones, laptops, LED lights emit high levels of concentrated blue light, especially dangerous at night. The melatonin meltdown. Your brain has a natural sleep hormone, melatonin. It starts producing around sunset, helping you feel drowsy and ready to rest. But when you scroll on your phone or binge Netflix at midnight, your brain thinks it's still daytime. Result? Melatonin drops. Circadian rhythm disrupted. It's harder to fall asleep. You get less deep, restorative sleep. You wake up groggy, unfocused, and anxious long-term. It may increase your risk of depression, memory loss, weight gain, even Alzheimer's, according to new research. It's not just sleep. Blue light isn't just a sleep issue. It also affects cortisol levels, stress hormone spikes, eye health, leading to digital eye strain and dry eyes, skin health. Yes, blue light can accelerate aging by increasing oxidative stress, hormonal balance, especially in teens and women. Even 30 minutes of blue light at night can disrupt your system for hours. How to fix it without giving up your phone? Don't worry, you don't need to go tech-free. Here's what helps. Use night mode on your devices. It reduces blue light automatically. Install blue light blocking apps like F-Lux or Night Shift. Buy blue light blocking glasses, especially if you work late. Use warm ambient lighting after sunset, not cool LEDs. Stop screens at least 60 minutes before bed. Read a book, meditate, or stretch instead. Get morning sunlight to help reset your circadian rhythm naturally. Final thoughts. Blue light is everywhere, and it's silently affecting your brain, your sleep, and your health. But small tweaks can protect your mind and boost your energy, starting tonight. If you learned something new, drop a comment below and share this video with someone who's always glued to their phone at night. Don't forget to subscribe to Healscape BDS, your go-to for smart, humanized health content.